What can we do and how can we adapt going forward? I have already alluded to one of the mining operations, which, for instance, in Zambia, we did partially remotely during the lockdown and during COVID-19, while we had significant travel restriction. And this is obviously in Zambia, the Lumbwana mine, where we installed a gearless mill drive. It's fantastic on how the team has come together, how we could support this digital technology, but also our governments, particular South Africa and Zambia, made it easy for our guys to access safely and come back home safely to the countries, and were able to do the on-site operation as needed. So kudos to everybody who has participated there, and I hope we made a big difference to our client in that context. But as we use, and you will have some of the areas where Mendix low-code software will be applied, and particular in the hackathon, which we will see over the next 3 days unfolding. We used also Mendix to use in applications which we had particular last year when COVID-19 hit South Africa and the African continent, because as in many industries and also as in mining, we are not producing enough goods on the continent for our own supply, which obviously was valid as well for the medical equipment. And one thing where I'm very proud of, and that is around the ventilator project, which we did together with the CSR using Mendix low-code. We developed a ventilator which could be deployed then to various manufacturing sites, and together with the Solidarity Fund of South Africa, we produced 20,000 of these ventilators, which made a huge difference to people, particular in the first wave and second wave, to be treated with vital oxygen. But also we have discovered that obviously with the transition into digital technology, skills are important. So we partnered as well with the CSRR and to incorporate technology, like for instance Mendix, with the universities and technicons, and hopefully we'll be able to get South Africa and the African continent more ready for the fourth industrial revolution. We also sponsored equipment for the upgrade of the Anglo Gold Ashanti Hospital, which then was donated as an overflow capacity to the Gauteng Department of Health. And given that Charlotte Macheka Hospital had the impact, I think this was a very well invested money to make sure that people have hospital beds available. But our flagship with a full suite of Siemens technology is the Cecilia Makawana Hospital, where we participated last year, setting it up. And in May, we handed it over with 100 beds, 90 treatment beds and 10 ICU beds for the help in East London to overcome the third wave of COVID-19. And we're very proud that we could make that difference to society.